On today's episode of Lydia's Corner, we have the Horror Monster Mechanical Wind-Up Savings Bank.
Bella, get out of my... Bella.
Say hello, Lydia.
Hello.
Say welcome to my corner.
Welcome to my corner. Hello.
This is the box that came in. Looks like it's vintage. This is made. It says caution, not recommended for children under 3 years old. And we have, it's called Satan's Bank. And what happens is you put a coin here,
Where are we?
and I'll come in and grab the coin.
I don't have coins. I don't have coins.
So actually, it's a nice bank, and you can always get the change out of here.
I can't get the coin. I don't have coins.
That's okay. Pretty nifty toy.
I want to do it.
Lydia? Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
What? Say welcome to my corner.
Welcome to my corner. And subscribe, and if you like my channel, come subscribe and watch me in the channel, okay?
Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.